Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus best review and specifications is here. But first of all, subscribe this channel for more videos. The Galaxy S9 is just a month away from becoming official, with Samsung confirming that its 2018 flagship will see a launch at MWC in February. The Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus launch event is set for February 25th, just ahead of Mobile World Congress 2018 in Barcelona. While the launch is just a couple of weeks away, the two Samsung Galaxy S9 series models have been leaked numerous times, with the handset's prices, specifications, key features, and a lot more leaked more than once. In fact, the Galaxy S9 name has been confirmed by the company itself. With the iPhone X as their main competition in the smartphone market, the two upcoming handsets will have a lot riding on them. We take a look at everything the rumor mill has thrown our way so far regarding the two handsets. Samsung Galaxy S9 design. One aspect where the Samsung Galaxy S9 series is not expected to surprise is the design. With the Galaxy S flagship range getting a design overhaul last year, Samsung is expected to keep things quieter with an upgrade focused mostly on internal specifications. Despite that, we can expect minor changes in the overall design. For starters, the fingerprint sensor will reportedly shift from the right of the rear camera lens to below it. This is possibly a decision taken to make it more ergonomic to operate, one where you don't mistakenly touch the camera lens instead of the sensor. An under-display fingerprint sensor is highly unlikely on the Galaxy S9 or Galaxy S9 Plus. Apart from that, the display might have slightly thinner bezels, although several rumors suggest no change from the previous generation. Additionally, the Galaxy S9 Plus is rumored to sport a dual rear camera setup. As for the color options, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus smartphones are said to come in lilac purple, midnight black, titanium gray, and coral blue colors, apart from limited edition models. Samsung Galaxy S9 specifications. Samsung's upcoming flagship phones will most likely be powered by the latest flagship SoC from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 845, in US and China markets. The Samsung Exynos 9810 SoC, launched last month, is expected to power the smartphones in other international markets including India. Much like other flagship smartphones launched recently, we can expect the Galaxy S9 series to run Samsung Experience UI on top of Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. As mentioned above, the Galaxy S9 is expected to have 4GB RAM and up to 128GB in-built storage, while the Galaxy S9 Plus is expected to feature 6GB RAM and up to 512GB in-built storage. The Galaxy S9 is expected to sport a 5.8-inch QHD AMOLED display, while the Galaxy S9 Plus might feature a 6.2-inch display. Both phones are expected to retain the Bixby button from last year. Samsung Galaxy S9 camera. For imaging, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus sports a 12MP plus 12MP dual camera with LED flash with yes. Up front, the smartphone from Samsung makes use of a 8MP camera selfie camera. Coming to the camera, the official invite as well as leaks suggest a major upgrade this time around. A variable aperture of f/1.5 to f/2.4 is expected in the rear cameras, giving the phones DSLR-like aperture adjustment capabilities. New ISOCELL sensors have also been spotted that come with technologies like tetracell and smart WDR. Other capabilities such as phase detection autofocus, PDAF, optical image stabilization, OIS, and dual pixel are also reported to arrive on the Galaxy S9 Duo. According to a supposed retail box of the Galaxy S9, the phone bears a 12-megapixel rear camera sensor and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. On the front, the Galaxy S9 will apparently feature an integrated iris scanner and selfie camera, and the Galaxy S9 Plus is expected to sport a separate iris scanner. A recent report also shed light on the handset's camera sensor, claiming the yet unannounced f/.55 Sony IMX345 sensor with f/1.4 aperture and 12-megapixel resolution will be used in the next Samsung flagships. Now moving to the battery, the Galaxy S9 is said to have a 3000 mAh battery, while its bigger sibling is said to come with a 3500 mAh battery. The former will reportedly have wattage of 11.55 watt-hours, nominal voltage of 3.85 volts, and charge voltage of 4.4 volts, while the latter will have 3.48 watt-hours wattage, 3.85 volts nominal voltage, and 4.4 volts charge voltage. Both models will feature USB Type-C charging FlexPort. The two smartphones will come in single and dual SIM variants, according to a listing on the Samsung Finland website. Samsung Galaxy S9 price. The smartphone is priced at $800 plus. The device is available via leading offline stores, Samsung Galaxy S9 processor and storage. The smartphone makes use of an octa-core processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, that is coupled with Adreno 630 GPU, 6GB RAM and 64GB storage default memory capacity. This storage can be expanded up to 256GB with the help of a microSD card. Samsung Galaxy S9 release date. Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will launch on 25th of March MWC in February.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?